This is the Schrade Extreme Survival Knife SCHF9. The SCHF9 sports a durable, fine-edge fixed blade that is crafted from 1095 high-carbon steel. A favorite of survivalists and bushcrafters for its strength and ability to hold a razor-sharp edge. The blade is a 1/4 inch thick and coated with wear and water-resistant PTFE. Boasting a full tang running the entire length of the knife, it ends in a lanyard hole at the base of the handle, making the SCHF9 a stout and trustworthy blade you can depend on in the field. The knife is carried in a ballistic nylon sheath and is secured with an adjustable strap and snap system. On the front, there's a handy removable pouch for everyday carry survival gear, and a lanyard for use as emergency cordage or to lash the sheath bottom to your thigh. Carry options include a hook and loop flap system that allows you to wear the sheath without removing your belt, and MOLLE-compatible straps for attaching it to gear. The thick rubberized TPE handle grip makes the SCHF9 comfortable to use for extended periods and in poor weather conditions. The drop point blade design forms an extra strong tip for piercing, poking, and fine cutting. The sharp contoured edge is crafted to maximize every chop and cut, and the exposed tang at the base of the handle makes a tough tool for pounding and crushing. Designed for reliable everyday performance, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade Extreme Survival Knife SCHF9.
This is the Gerber Gator Premium Folding Gut Hook Fine Edge. Gator has a tradition as strong as family and is an icon of quality. A 30-plus year tradition of U.S. manufacturing has led to the development of the Gator Premium line. The rubberized Gator texture ensures consistent grip in any condition, and the balanced handle allows for precision cutting. A 3.6-inch fine edge folding blade with gut hook made from CPM S30V steel ensures long-term edge retention, but is easy to sharpen when needed. A gut hook is added on the reverse for easy field dressing. Semi-mirror polished blade and bolster offer classic protection against corrosion, and a lockback mechanism ensures safe opening and closing of the knife. The premium US-made leather sheath keeps the blade close at hand and protects your knife for decades to come. The Gator Premium confirms a tradition of excellence. Proudly built in Portland, Oregon, this is the Gerber Gator Premium Folding Gut Hook Fine Edge.
With the release of the 753 Red Point Rescue, Buck Knives has given all public servants a great tool that will assist in life-saving duties. The Red Point Rescue has a 2 3/4 inch, 420 HC titanium coated, partially serrated drop point blade. Safe spin blade with Sherlock mechanism that locks blade open and closed. Carbide glass brake and titanium coated seatbelt cutter. One-handed opening and fully ambidextrous. Rubber coated for added safety. Available in yellow and black, with Buck's famous forever warranty.
The TalonFMC full mission capable tool by Buck Knives is a versatile blade that can be deployed in jungle, land, and tactical warfare by special op, tactical response teams, general infantry, and survivalists. The TalonFMC is designed to master all terrains and conditions with expert results. Patterned after the Fro, a traditional chopping tool, this blade is made to abuse. A full tang construction places just under a 1/4 inch thick solid piece of 5160 carbon spring steel in your hands, and the stepped micarta handle is sure to absorb the shock of any punishment you can dish out. Features include a functional and aggressive 5-inch multi-purpose saw on the spine, allows square notching, excellent for setting snares and traps. Full curved blade edge, weight-forward design, allowing 3 times the cutting force, exerting less energy. Full 2-inch serrated edge for cutting thick fibrous material. Flat ground frontal wedge or chisel. 2-inch long recessed limb hook with open face. Blunt end for hammering. 5 lashing points for spear attachments and multiple lanyard holes. Low IR emission ceramic coating. The sheath is just as Bravo Alpha as the blade. Multiple slots and holes that are compatible with QLS, MLS, and ELS MOLLE quick releases. Tons of carry options. High or low hip, left or right carry, interrupted belt carry, adjustable detent retention, detachable Kydex sheath with drain hole and canvas counterpart, blade securing cord tensioner with 550 cord, 4 feet backup of 550, cause face it, you always need that. If it looks mean, it's because it is. Made in the USA, built to last and guaranteed forever. So buck up and reach for the TalonFMC, presented by Unifier and manufactured by Buck Knives.
Hogue Incorporated is proud to announce the X5, their latest and most distinct knife of its kind. Built with Hogue's new revolutionary deployment technology, this knife provides class-leading smoothness and an exceptionally effortless action. Although completely manual and containing no springs, the innovative internal system allows the blade to open with a motion as instinctive as your own reflexes. Simple downward pressure on the flipper tab reliably deploys the knife, and an easy one-handed close ends with a secure click ensuring the knife is shut. The blade is made from cryogenically heat-treated CPM 154 stainless, and the edge is hand-sharpened and honed for a lasting edge. Spearpoint and modified Wharncliffe blade styles are available with a stonewash or a black kiln-baked Cerakote firearms finish for improved durability. The dynamic handle of the X5 is 6061 T6 aircraft aluminum and is hard anodized with either black or blue options. An inlay of Hogue's Damascus Black G10 with a piranha grip texture has been added on select models for added traction and superior comfort. The precisely designed recesses and curvature of the knife offer a natural ergonomic grasp when in hand. A manual safety lock can be activated when the knife is open for optimal readiness and utility in any situation. The X5 includes an ambidextrous tip-up pocket clip for easy everyday carry. Every Hogue knife is made in the USA, backed by 3 generations of manufacturing experience and a limited lifetime warranty. Hogue collaborates with former Marine Recon and renowned custom knife maker Alan Oleshowitz for designs and models. Select X5s are available exclusively through Hogue's dealer network.